I welcome back everyone. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the C# operators. Since you have studied already some of the programming languages, you could know something about the operators. Generally, an operator is simply a symbol which is going to tell the compiler what should be performed. For example, we can say plus, minus, slash, less than, greater than, likewise. So all these are called operators, but simply it is known as a symbol, isn't it? So it is going to tell the compiler what kind of mathematical or logical manipulation should be performed on this symbol. So that is what operators. So as I told you already, all the programming languages has a set of built-in operators. So likewise here C# also has a set of built-in operators. So here we can see the operators. Those are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators and conditional operator. Okay, so these are the types of operators which is in C#. Generally in all the programming languages, the operators can be classified based on the number of operands which is going to be performed on that symbol or operator. If we take plus, it needs two operands to perform on the symbol, right? So plus is going to add two numbers. So those two numbers are called operands and plus is called operator. If we say A plus B, where A and B are known as operands, plus is known as operator, right? And if we say plus plus I, so plus plus is called increment operator, where I is an operand. Here this increment operator needs only one operand to perform, right? So likewise, the operators can be classified based on the number of operands it needs. So the classifications are unary operator, binary operator and ternary operator. If an operator takes only one operand to perform the operation, then it is called unary operator. For example, we can say plus plus I, that is increment operator. And next one, binary operator. If an operator takes two operands to perform the operation, then it is called binary operator. For this we can say A plus B as an example, where it takes two operands to perform the operation. The third one, ternary operator. The operator which takes three operands to perform the operation is called ternary operator. So we can say the example for this is conditional operator. So you can see those things while we see all the types of operators in brief. So you just know the operators are classified or categorized based upon the number of operands. The classifications are unary operator, binary operator and ternary operator. So we said some types of operators, right? Arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, conditional operator, likewise. So all those types comes under now in these three classifications, such as unary, binary, ternary operators. So let us see the types of operators one by one in brief. In that, the first one, arithmetic operators. If anyone wants to perform the arithmetic or mathematical operations, then they can use the arithmetic operators. So these operators are going to perform either arithmetic or mathematical operations on operands. So we saw some classifications based on the number of operands. In that first one called binary operators. So binary operators are falling in this category, that is arithmetic operators are binary operators. So let us see the operators. Before that, you just see here we have taken two variables A and B. A holds a value 10, B holds a value 20. So this is to apply in the example. Okay. So just keep in mind the values A holds 10, B holds 20. Let us see the arithmetic operators. So these are the arithmetic operators. So in that first one, the symbol is plus. Plus adds two operands. For this we can say the example, that is a plus b equal to 30. Since the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20, the added value is 30. Here plus is going to add the two operands. And next operator is minus. This symbol subtracts the second operand from the first operand. Here a is first operand and b is second operand. Now second operand is going to be subtracted from the first operand value. The value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. Now 20 is going to be subtracted from the 10. 10 is smallest value, b is bigger value. So now the answer is minus 10. Next operator is asterisk. That is, the symbol is asterisk. It is going to multiply both operands. Here a asterisk b. Now the symbol is going to multiply the value of a and b. 10 into 20 is 200. Next operator is slash. That is, the symbol is slash. It divides numerator by denumerator. So here is the example, b slash a. Now b has 20 is going to be divided by the value 10. Then the answer is 2. Okay. Next operator is modulus. So it is also going to divide the number. So that is modular division. You can see the example, the same b modulus a. Here the answer is 0. Both the slash and modulus are going to be used for the division. But what is the difference between these two? While we use simple slash, it divides, right? The slash will give the quotient value as an answer. Here the quotient value of the division is 2. So that's why slash gives the answer as 2. Whereas modulus gives the remainder as a result. Here 0 is the remainder value of the division. That's why here the answer is 0. Okay, so this is what the difference between slash and modulus. Slash will give the quotient value as an answer. Modulus will give the remainder value as an answer. Clear? Next symbol is plus plus. That is increment operator. So it increases integer value by 1 each time. For example, a plus plus. Here already the value of a is 10. Now it increases by 1 so that the answer is 11. Next operator is, that is, the symbol is minus minus. This is decrement operator. It decreases integer value by 1 each time. So a minus minus decreases the value of 10 to the value 9. Okay. So these are the operators, that is arithmetic operators, and these are the examples for those operators. Okay. Now let us see an example program for this arithmetic operators. So here you can see the program for arithmetic operators. All the arithmetic operators are substituted in a single program itself. So you know the basic structure of C# program, which we have discussed already in the previous classes. So now you know what are these statements: using system.collection.generic, using system.link, using system.text. All these are called package details. And then namespace, the name of the namespace is arith operator. So that is given like this, arithop. Then the class name is program. Within the class we have started the program with main, because we know that whenever we execute a source code, the execution will be starting from the main. So that next line is static void main string arguments. You know all these things, what are the meaning for these words. Okay. So main has a block with open and close curly brace. Within that we have given some of the source code. You just see one by one. First, the variables are declared. What are the variables we need for this source code are declared first. Int result. So to store the answer we need a variable that is called result here. The type is integer. So we can give either int or int 32, right? Next variables are x and y, which holds value. X has 10, y is assigned with 5. These two variable data type is integer. These two lines are given for the heading purpose. console.writeLine using arithmetic operators. This is to leave a line, empty line. Okay, and next these two lines of source code is for addition. A result equal to x plus y. So the addition statement is basic for all the languages, but there will be the syntax difference, right? You just see how the addition statement should be given in C#. Result equal to, within bracket we have to give x plus y. Statement should end with semicolon. In some of the languages we'll give simply a result equal to a plus b without the brackets, isn't it? So here in C# we should give the addition statement within the bracket. And in next line, console.writeLine, within bracket, within double quotes we have given addition operator colon, then plus result. Now the added value is stored in the variable result, and the result value will be displayed here. Okay, and these two are the statements for addition. So likewise for subtraction, here only we are going to change the symbol. The remaining are same. Result equal to x minus y, and console.writeLine subtraction operator plus result. Okay, right. Likewise for multiplication and division and modulo, only we have changed the symbols. The remaining are same. And finally there is a statement console.readKey. So this statement should be given to keep the output screen for some time until user presses some key. Okay, so for that purpose we are using this statement. So now this is what the source code for arithmetic operators. So all the arithmetic operators are applied here in a single source code itself. Now we will save it, and for the compilation we should click on build solution. Now the source code compilation was succeeded. Now let us execute the source code. For that we should click on debug. In that start debugging. So it shows the result like this for us. So using arithmetic operators is a heading, and below that there is an empty line, and addition operator gives the result as 15 because we have assigned the values as 10 and 5. Okay, subtraction operator gives the value as 5, and multiplication operator gives the result as 50, and division operator gives the quotient value, that is 2, and modulus operator gives the remainder value as result, that is 0. Okay, so this is what the output for arithmetic operators. Now we shall see the next operator, that is relational operators. The relational operators are going to be used to compare two values. Either both are same, or which is greater, which is smallest. Likewise, to compare the two values we can use the relational operators. As like previous operator, here also we are going to assume the values. A has 10, B has 20. Okay, now let us see the operators. Here the first operator is double equal, that is the symbol. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. So it is going to verify whether both operands are same. If both the variables or conditions are same, then the answer will be as true. Okay, for this the example is A double equal B. We know that the value of A is 10, the value of B is 20. Now both are not equal. Okay, so that's why the answer is not true, or else we can say that false. Next operator is not equal. Okay, so this symbol is called not equal. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. It is going to do the same as like double equal, but it says true when both operands or conditions are same, whereas not equal is going to tell true when both the operands or conditions are not equal. Okay, so now A not equal B. Here E has the value 10, B has the value 20. We know that both are not equal. So if both are not equal, then the answer will be true. Okay, next symbol is greater than. So if we take this operator, this is called left side and this is called right side. Okay, now this symbol is going to check if the value of left operand is greater than the value of the right operand. This is left operand, this is right operand. It is going to verify that whether the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If the condition is satisfied, if it is yes, then the answer will be true, otherwise false. Here A is 10, B is 20. A is lesser than B. It is not greater than B. So that the answer is not true. That is, we can say this as not true or false. The next symbol is less than. It is going to verify that whether the left side operand is less than the right side operand. Okay. If the condition is true, the output will be true, otherwise it is false. Okay. Here A is 10, B is 20. Now the A is lesser than B, so condition is true, that's why the answer is, the condition is satisfied, that's why the answer is true. Next symbol is greater than or equal to. What is the meaning for this symbol? The symbol is going to verify that whether the left side operand is greater than or equal to the right side operand. If the condition is satisfied, then the output will be true. Okay. In this symbol, it is going to verify that whether the left side operand is greater than to the right side operand. Right. But here, it can be greater or can be equal to the right side operand. That is what the difference between greater and greater than or equal to. Okay. So here is an example, A greater than or equal to B. Here the A is smaller than B and also it is not equal to the B, so that the answer is not true. Next symbol is less than or equal to. As like greater than, it is going to verify whether the left side operand is less than or equal to right side operand. If the condition is satisfied, the output will be true. Here A less than or equal to B, where A is less than B, so that the answer is true. Okay. So this is what, so these are called the relational operators, and these are the examples for those operators. Let us see a program for this relational operators. Here you can see the example program for relational operators. So as like arithmetic operators, here all the relational operators are given in a single program itself. Okay. We shall come directly to the main part where we have declared the variables whatever we need. The result is declared as Boolean because it should be given as either true or false. The result should be either true or false, so that the data type is Boolean, and the values are integer type, so that int x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. Okay, so these are the variables we need for the relational operator manipulation, and these two are the heading purpose. As I told you in arithmetic operators, here console.writeLine using relational operators, and this is to leave a empty line. Okay, and the first relational operator is equal to. So result equal x double equal y. It is given within bracket. Okay, and it will verify whether both are equal or not, and the output will be stored in the result as a Boolean type. Then the answer should be displayed here. Console.writeLine equal to operator colon is given within double quotes and plus result. Now what is the result stored here in this variable will be displayed here. Okay, likewise for greater than, less than, and greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, not equal to. Okay, all the operators are going to do the same, that is, it is going to verify according to the condition. The answer will be stored on the result and it will be displayed here. Okay, only we have changed the symbol. The remaining statements are same. As you know, the last line is to keep the screen for some time until user presses any key. Okay, now let us save the source code, and now we can compile it, build solution. Now the compilation is succeeded. Now it is ready to execute. For that, debug start debugging. Here is a output. Okay, so this is what the output for this source code. The x value is 5 and the y value is 10. Based on these values, the result is given here. The first operator is equal to operator, both the values are not equal, so that the answer is false. And next one, greater than operator, x is not greater than y, so that the answer is false. Next operator is less than, so 5 is less than 10, isn't it? So that the output is true. Next operator is greater than or equal to, so it is also not equal, so that the output is false. And next operator is lesser than or equal to, it is less than to 10, so that the output is true. Next operator is not equal, here both are not equal, so that the output is true. Okay, so this is what the output for this relational operators program. I hope it will be clear for you. So these are the first two types of operators, that is arithmetic operators and relational operators. So the remaining types of operators, we shall see the remaining types of operators in next class. Okay, thank you.